ADA, we start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, yesterday we had a sharp move. Most of the charts we could see this kind of the move for most of the chart, mostly because of the XRP news. And we start with the higher time frame, and we want to see what's the next. All right, based on monthly chart, as we can see, we are within this downtrend. The price dropped quite a lot in compared to the all-time high. I now want to see how long the price can consolidate here before we see the reversal. All right, and it depends on the overall market. And whenever we see this kind of the drop, we can expect the price consolidate here for longer time before we see the reversal, similar to what we had here. Okay, but as I mentioned, it depends on the overall market. If the mostly the nature of this market is that if the Bitcoin start to move, the rest also will follow. And for those traders who are looking to buy the AD for the short term, long term buy with expectation to see the breakout of the all time high, based on monthly chart, we have to see the breakout of the 92 cent. All right, that means we can expect the price reverse, even tag 92, then there is no breakout, then we look for the next drop. Okay, that means we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time, but it doesn't mean we cannot buy at this point for the uh, long term. The only thing is how we can look for trade, and we depends on the strategy the traders they use, and we should know, we should have the strategy and trade setup. Anyway, based on monthly chart, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 92. Then from there we can expect the price can tag at least the all-time high. But at this point, any trade for any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But then we have to see whether the price can break 92 cent or not. And if we move to weekly chart, as we can see, if we put this low and relative to the previous one, we had the divergence. That means we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. Okay, and beside that, if we refer to our analysis, if I put like this, since the price was within this move, we did discuss about this one in relative to what we had here for the flat, for the next drop with the breakout of the previous low. This is what we have been looking for, and we get following by divergence. This is what we have been looking for. All right. Now the question is whether this is the start of the up move or not. But we should know that we can expect this one turn to expansion, and we can expect the price drop continue and drop as a corrective before we look for the reversal. That's why for those traders, they want to look for buy. They should know how to manage it in case it doesn't move in our direction. But based on weekly chart at this point, I don't see any trade setup, and we have to see the breakout of this correction, because as I mentioned, with the breakout of this one is somewhere between 60 flowing by 70. Then from there we have to see the breakout of the 92 cent. All right, that means we don't see any trade setup based on weekly. And if we move to daily chart, since the price was within here, we mentioned if we see, look for we get any opportunity for buy, this is what we have been looking for. The price couldn't tag at this point. Based on daily chart, this is the targets I'm looking for. If we get the deeper correction here, any opportunity for buy, still we want to see the breakout of the 52 following by 60. Okay, and we don't see any trade setup based on daily chart. And if we move to lower time frame, we move to forward and 1 hour chart. Right now, I'm looking at this one. Any opportunity for buy from here, either based on forward and 1 hour chart, we will take it. And as a short term, we can look for 41 and 44 cent as a short term targets. All right. And how to look for trade, it depends on the strategy the traders they use. And mostly we're looking for the flag. Okay. Right now, I'm looking for this one. Any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. Simply, we will not take the trade, because since we had this sharp move, how about if the price continue and drop as a corrective? That's why we have to look for the trade setup. But any opportunity for buy, this is the short-term targets I'm looking for. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.